butter, and I will be putting the half or 1/2 cup of butter. In a bowl. Okay? I'll show you later. Okay, so nailagay na ni Ma'am Castro ang 1/2 cup of butter in the mixing bowl, and then I'm going to add the 250 grams of grated cheese. Okay? And I have to mix it well so that it will blend. I'm going to add the red bell pepper in the mixture. So, tingnan natin ha. I'll mix it again so that it will be distributed well in the entire mixture. Okay. So, may natira pa. I-add ko na rin para mas malinamnam. Okay, so kanina I already added the chopped bell pepper or the chopped red bell pepper, and then mix it well. Then this time I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk just to balance the taste. Kasi tinikman ko to kanina nang wala pa ang condensed milk. So 2 tablespoons mga anak ha. I tried tasting the cheese pimiento a while ago after adding the 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, but it still tastes salty, so I added 4 more tablespoons of condensed milk. So all in all is 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. It's now ready to be placed in the bottle. Okay. Ayan, so naka-isang bote ako. Put enough later to be spread on the sandwiches later. So tatakpan ko muna siya and we'll place it in the refrigerator. Okay, lagay ko siya sa